21 species in genus Gaillardia, blanket flower. May 5th, Gaillardia, the blanket flower, defines May 5th. Gaillardia symbolizes warmth and vitality. Your energetic and lively spirit makes you the life of any gathering. Like this flower, your vibrant personality radiates positivity and joy. What is Gaillardia? Gaillardia belong to the Asteraceae family, commonly known as blanket flower, is a vibrant and hardy perennial plant known for its bright, daisy-like flowers. They come in a range of fiery colors, including reds, oranges, and yellows, making them a popular choice for adding a splash of color to gardens and landscapes. Gaillardia is native to North and South America and is well loved for its long blooming period and ease of care. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Is Gaillardia a perennial? Yes, Gaillardia is a perennial plant. This means that it lives for more than 2 years, often blooming from early summer until the first frost. Its hardy nature and ability to thrive in various conditions make it a favorite among gardeners looking for low-maintenance, yet colorful plants. Is Gaillardia deer-resistant? Gaillardia is indeed deer-resistant. Deer tend to avoid these plants due to their slightly prickly foliage and strong scent. This makes Gaillardia an excellent choice for gardens in areas where deer browsing is a concern. What do Gaillardia seeds look like? Gaillardia seeds are small, dark, and somewhat oblong, often with a slight tuft of hair at one end. They are typically collected from the flower heads after they have dried and turned brown. When to cut back Gaillardia? It's best to cut back Gaillardia in late fall after the first frost or in early spring before new growth begins. Cutting back the stems to about 6 inches above the ground helps to encourage new growth and maintain a tidy appearance. Can you grow Gaillardia in pots? Yes, Gaillardia can be grown in pots. Choose a container with good drainage and use a well-draining potting mix. Ensure the pot receives full sunlight and water the plant regularly, but avoid overwatering, as Gaillardia prefers drier conditions. Do rabbits eat Gaillardia? Rabbits generally do not eat Gaillardia. Like deer, rabbits are often deterred by the plant's texture and scent. However, if food sources are scarce, rabbits might nibble on them, but it is not their preferred choice. Does Gaillardia attract butterflies? Gaillardia is known to attract butterflies. The bright, nectar-rich flowers are highly appealing to various butterfly species, making them a delightful addition to a butterfly garden. How to deadhead Gaillardia? To deadhead Gaillardia, simply pinch or snip off the spent flower heads just above the first set of leaves. This encourages the plant to produce more blooms and extends the flowering season. How to grow Gaillardia from seed? Growing Gaillardia from seed is straightforward. Sow the seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date or directly in the garden after the danger of frost has passed. Lightly cover the seeds with soil, water gently, and place them in a sunny location. Germination typically occurs within 14 to 21 days. Is Gaillardia poisonous to dogs? Gaillardia is not poisonous to dogs. It is a safe choice for gardens where pets are present, as it does not pose any known toxicity risks to animals. When does Gaillardia bloom? Gaillardia blooms from early summer through fall. The extended blooming period is one of the reasons this plant is so popular, providing continuous color in the garden for months. Do Gaillardia attract bees? Yes, Gaillardia attracts bees. The flowers are a rich source of nectar and pollen, making them a favorite among various bee species. Planting Gaillardia can help support local pollinator populations. How to care for Gaillardia? Caring for Gaillardia is simple. Plant them in well-draining soil and in a sunny spot. Water them regularly, especially during dry periods, but be careful not to overwater. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering, and cut back the plants in late fall or early spring. How to propagate Gaillardia? Gaillardia can be propagated by seed, division, or cuttings. Seeds are the most common method, but division can also be done in spring or fall. To propagate by cuttings, take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from new growth, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a well-draining soil mix. What to plant with Gaillardia? Gaillardia pairs well with other sun-loving perennials such as Coreopsis, Echinacea, and Salvia. These plants share similar growing conditions and complement Gaillardia's vibrant colors, creating a dynamic and attractive garden display. Gaillardia versus Coreopsis? Gaillardia and Coreopsis are both popular perennials known for their bright, cheerful flowers. While Gaillardia blooms in fiery reds, oranges, and yellows, Coreopsis typically features shades of yellow and gold. Both plants are drought-tolerant and attract pollinators, but Gaillardia tends to have a slightly longer blooming period. In terms of care, both are low maintenance, making them excellent choices for beginner gardeners.